First video, this is my view here. I am a YouTuber. This is my fake accent. Right now I'm in Rio Doso. This is my view. Rio Doso, New Mexico on a trip. This is the best view I could find in my room. Yep. It's pretty nice. I'm doing many fun things. I'll be back in my house in 2 days, I think. Wait, I'll be back on Wednesday. This is Monday today. And first video. I will see you later. Bye.